Hello everyone, my name is Federico and this time I'm bringing you 10 tricks of how to rock on the camera the next time that you need to perform a speech online. Yes, especially in these days that online speeches, online meetings and remote work is more popular. But trust me, even if you're a professional speaker, there are some small adjustments that you need to do in your speech to rock on the stage the next time. The next one, level your computer. The camera needs to be at the same level of your eyes. Yes. Why that? Because when you perform a speech, the first thing that people tell you is look at the eyes of your audience. So you need to create the same emotion and feeling. But when you don't do that and you put the laptop on your legs because it's more comfortable, you feel like this. Yeah, people think that you're not looking at them and you're not paying them attention. So instead of doing that, look at the camera. It needs to be at the same level. The second trick, look at the green light. Yeah, the first one is a remind, but when you look at the green light, then it's an additional reminder to you that you need to look at the camera, not to look like this or another way. So this too helps you to look more natural and comfortable when you're performing a speech. The next one, get some white light. Yeah, when we constantly buy things, let's say a light bulb, the yellow ones are more common and are cheaper, but when you're performing a good speech, you need to have white light. If not, it will look uncomfortable to the people. The next trick, background contrast. Look at my background. I look clearly visible. And I know some people that like to put some nice pictures, some nice painting, but really, that's not necessarily helps you. Sometimes you feel strange or you don't look very professional. And if you have a green screen, choose right configurations, check them in advance. I have a colleague that not so long ago, her arm disappeared. It was like this. We were like, what happened with her arm? Why? Because the white screen and the software made something strange in her case. The next one, avoid noisy places. Starbucks is not the right place to perform a speech. Trust me. Going to do direct your work is fine, but perform a speech there, you might have a bad experience. The next one, remember that there is a frame. When you are a professional speaker or you have performed some speeches, you do your hand movements, do this, do that, and do a lot of magical tricks. But on the screen, especially the first time that you are here, there is a frame. And this frame is the limit that you have. If you do something like this, it will disappear your arm, and this one like that. And this is very common in the first speakers that I met. So remember you have a limit. If you remember that, people will look at your eyes, look at your hands, look at you. But if not, no one will remember what they're doing, especially if I was only waving you. So remember, you have a frame. The next one, use your left arm. If you have seen this recording, most of the time I'm using my left arm. You might think, wait, but that's your right arm in your eyes. And this is an effect that I create in this way. Because most of the time I use this one to write, to play with my computer, something like that. But when you're performing a speech online, your left arm creates the same effect to the viewers because most of people are right-handed and they tend to see the things on the right side, not on the left side. The next one, this is one of my favorite ones. Use wire devices. When you're recording a speech, when you're performing a speech, use a wire device. If you're going to do something else, trust me, even if you have an AirPod Pro, you might have a bad experience or a weird emotions or weird things could happen. So wire devices are your best friends when you're going to perform these speeches. The next one, check the configuration in advance. You can open Skype, check the preferences, see if everything is working, and if something is not working, because I had experience that for any reason my headset stopped working. Yeah. Then my camera was not working the next time. What I started to do? Use my phone. Really. My phone, I installed the app Zoom from one of my meetings and perfectly fine. This is a backup option. And the final one. This will sound even silly and some people will think, Federico, you're paranoid. lock the door and mute your phone. Put it in airplane mode before any presentation. I have experience of a friend whose cat appeared in the presentation. The cat jumped and we were like, okay, it was part of the speech or not. Why? Because he didn't lock the door. And then the next time, the phone started to ring and so loud that it was totally inconvenient for everyone. So this last trick is important. Lock the door, mute your phone, and everything will be cool. So now, as a sum up, as a small reminder, level your computer, same level of your eyes. Look at the green light. Use white light. Avoid noisy places. Remember, there is a frame. Use your left arm. Wire devices are your best friends. Check the configuration in Skype. And the last one, lock the door and mute your phone. And these are my advice and suggestions. If you have anyone else that you would like to share with the people, share it in the comments. But until then, see you the next time. Bye.